Welcome to the exciting realm of gardening in 2026, where creativity meets affordability. This year, it's easier than ever to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful sanctuary without breaking the bank. From reimagining existing spaces to incorporating budget-friendly plants and decorations, there are countless ways to enhance your garden while staying true to your personal style. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or new to the hobby, this video will inspire you to create a vibrant and welcoming outdoor oasis. One of the standout trends this year is the use of reclaimed materials. By repurposing items like old wood, metal, and even furniture, you can infuse your garden with unique character. For instance, old pallets can be converted into vertical gardens or rustic seating areas. Additionally, rusty metal containers can serve as eye-catching planters for a variety of flowers and herbs. This not only saves money but also contributes to sustainability, allowing your garden to reflect a commitment to the environment. In 2026, native plants are making waves for their beauty and low maintenance. Selecting plants that are already adapted to your local climate can significantly reduce water usage and overall upkeep. Consider incorporating a mix of perennials that bloom at different times of the year, ensuring your garden remains vibrant throughout the seasons. Pairing these plants with colorful annuals can add bursts of color and variety, creating an ever-changing landscape that delights the senses. Another great way to beautify your garden is by utilizing simple DIY projects to create charming decorations. Painted rocks, handmade bird feeders, or wind chimes can add personal touches while encouraging wildlife to visit your space. Hanging lanterns or fairy lights can create a magical atmosphere, turning your garden into an enchanting retreat as day turns to night. These small, inexpensive additions can dramatically impact the overall ambience, making your garden a perfect gathering spot. Consider incorporating functional elements into your garden design, such as seating areas or pathways. Low-cost solutions like gravel, wood chips, or even bricks can create inviting walkways, guiding visitors through your garden's beauty. Adding benches or simple picnic tables can give your outdoor space purpose, encouraging you and your loved ones to spend more time outside. These areas can be adorned with cushions and throws for added comfort, making it easy to relax and enjoy nature. Ultimately, the beauty of gardening lies in the joy of creation and personal expression. By combining creativity with budget-friendly strategies, you can design an outdoor space that reflects your unique style while remaining practical. So, as you embark on this gardening journey in 2026, remember that even the smallest ideas can lead to a stunning and beautiful garden. Happy gardening! Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to stay updated on our latest ideas and tips. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing, you help us reach more gardening enthusiasts like yourself. Together, we can cultivate a vibrant community dedicated to beautifying our outdoor spaces. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to sharing more exciting content with you.